Just listen to these idiots. Just listen to this shameless fool called Adan Shoshomole. Child. Unbelievable. God have mercy. Please have mercy upon the people of the zoo. Chukwokika Biama, please have mercy upon every single soul that is in that animal kingdom called Nigeria. It pains me so much that I don't have the power to decide or suggest for the people of Edo State. Because if I have the power to do so, I, Lepashandi, will never waste time in deciding or suggesting for all the people of Edo State to skip this upcoming governorship election. I say so because it will be a shameful tragedy, a shameful one for that matter, for you to lose your life trying to elect or re-elect one idiot that will loot your money for the next 4 years. It will be a disgrace to you and to your family for you to lose your precious life trying to elect or re-elect one idiot that can never ever give you light for the next 4 years, that can never ever give you good road for the next 4 years. Talk more of giving you symbol of life, which is water, for the next 4 years. Oh my God. My happiness is that all my life, ever since I was born, I only voted once. And it was in 2014. I voted for Neki Hedion and Goodluck Jonathan. And I can never, ever vote again. See my 6 feet. Just listen to this idiot once again. By the time you done so, you will come to a conclusion or a point that take the rope and tie it to the goat, or take the goat and tie it to the rope are all the same thing. Meaning that APC and PDP are the same people. Shame to Adan Shoshomole. Because if law is existing in that zoo, if the judiciary of that zoo is working, Oshomole, you must be in cell till eternity for misleading the people of Edo State in 2016. Because this your useless and dirty mouth that you are using to vomit all this rubbish, is that the same useless and dirty mouth you used in 2016 to say all the good things about your predecessor? Shame on you, Oshomole. Idiot.
No, that is right. People, there is no compulsory membership. A political party is a voluntary association. If you want to stay, you stay. If you have reason to leave, you leave. I think he has exercised that right, democratic right to belong or to withdraw. After all, he joined us only 2016 at the eve of his own election. So leaving the APC is not, from our point of view, is good riddance to bad rubbish. If you were in Edo, as Edo people, they didn't even know him. I have not been talking because he's a member of our party. I cannot run down my party. But the moment he resigned now, we cannot engage him on all the half-truth, disinformation, and etc. The issue of his disqualification has to do with the forgery with his certificate. Now, when you forge certificates, as we have seen, particularly recently in Bayelsa, where we won an election, and on account of irregularities in the certificates or name, we lost it at the Supreme Court level. Only a foolish political party will now not pay due attention to meticulously screen those who wishes to contest election on your platform. That is the issue. And you know what? We want him to go to PDP, because it was PDP that exposed him in 2016. They filed a case at the Federal High Court, amplify the forgery and the inconsistencies in his certificate. It's not APC, he was with us. We just managed, thank God, PDP filed out of time.
All right, National Chairman of the All Progressives Congress, APC. While the governor was in the villa to speak with President Muhammadu Buhari and eventually broke the news of his resignation from the APC as member, the appellate court was hearing the matter brought before it on the issue of direct or indirect primaries. The court, however, adjourned sitting to Thursday. That's it. And the deputy governor, in less than 2 hours after the governor of the state announced his resignation from the APC, the deputy governor immediately did the same.
With great pain that I am leaving the All Progressive Congress APC that I helped and labored to build as a result of the recklessness and absolute lawlessness of Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole, the suspended APC national chairman. His undemocratic and dictatorial tendencies exhibited at all times has become intolerable. The APC has been hijacked for some personal and selfish interests of an individual called Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole. I also stand with the governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Anywhere he's taking his political ambition to, I, Comrade Philip Shaibu, will follow him. Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole has shown that he wants to be the new godfather in town, a vision that we all fought against in this state. He did say that why he led us to fight godfathers was he wanted us to free the resources that are meant for godfathers for the purpose of development. This vision is still alive with Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State. Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole wants to return us back to Egypt. He wants to return us back to the dark days. Hence, Comrade Adams Oshomole today is eating his vomit. We will not join him to eat our vomit, and that is why we must move on.